So first thing we're going to start with, very, very simple that we have, are the squats. Okay, squats, very good workout for your, for your glutes and for your hamstrings, even for the quads. And what we want to focus on when we're doing it, we want to always make sure that our back is straight and that we're not leaning forward. A lot of people, when they do their squats, they lean forward. Not the right way to do it. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to keep our feet about shoulder width apart. We're going to keep our knees over our feet. We don't want them coming, above our ankles. We don't want them coming over our toes. That's never a good thing. We always want the back straight. We want to rest the butt down as low as we can. So basic squat form, very simple. As we're coming down, the butt comes down, the knees, notice my knees are not over my toes, they're not bending over my toes, my back is straight. Come down and up. Come down as low as I can and up. Again, I'm here facing the camera way, coming down, butt goes back and up. Down and up. Now that's a basic squat. You could add weight to this. There's a lot of things you could do with this. Add your weight to it.